Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to download music from TikTok. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your music or a post that you like, or the song or the music that you like. Then tap on the music icon at the bottom. You can add it to your favorites like this, and if you tap on this share icon, there will you can see, you can copy link. If you tap on more, you can see my drive. Tap on it like this. The sound will be uploaded to your drive, so you can directly download from your drive. The audio will be downloaded to your drive. You can you can listen to that audio from directly to your drive. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.